fellow Fruity YouTubers. Today I'm just opening some, I don't know what the people call it, squishies or whatever, that we can actually get here that's not too expensive. So it's from AliExpress and it is not as expensive as if I go buy it in a shop. Now look at the cuteness. I've got a little carrot, and out of the carrot, okay, wrong side, comes a little bunny. Isn't it cute? Now, for me, this is going to be a lot of fun because I will literally do this forever and laugh at the bunny. My sense of humor isn't that, I don't know, evolved. So it would be a lot of fun for me. I know you guys might actually think it's quite stupid, but if you know how much stress balls and how boring the things we get here is, we don't get the stuff that we see in America, then you actually know this is a lot of fun. And it actually does relieve my stress for some reason. It's just funny seeing him poke up there and his little cute ears and that little cute face. And I can do this forever. I wouldn't say it is anything else than just funny. Now I've got another one that I got from AliExpress. It's free in a pack. I actually would have liked if they had mystery packs that I can pretend I'm opening a mystery pack, but it's little mousies. Mouses. Look at that. This one actually feels nicer. I've got to say, I can just, when I'm busy with something, maybe play with this as well. It's a lot softer. I don't know if you can really see it in the camera. This is a lot harder, like more plastic. And this is actually a lot softer. It feels a little bit more silicone. So this is maybe something that I can play with one hand with. And I still love the mouse that comes out. But I see that they actually push the mouse in like that. And then it looks cuter when it comes out. But now you can see the little face peeking over. I actually like it like this. I don't know what you guys think. This is actually cuter than the rabbit. I didn't think I will say something is cuter than a rabbit, but there you get it. So here's the other three. A white mouse. Now, as you can see, the painting isn't that nice. I don't know who painted this mouse, but I don't know what happened to his eyes. As you can see, the one eye is on top of the other eye. So I'm feeling a bit sorry for this mouse, and he also doesn't want to peek out as nicely as this one. I don't know what it is with AliExpress and consistency. This is so cute. Why couldn't this one look? Maybe if I push it back. No, you see that. It pokes itself in the eye. Sorry, baby. I'm so sorry that you're hurting yourself. And we'll see if this one is better again. Okay, as you can see, the painting. And it actually can go bigger, but there you can already see the stress to the thing. So I wouldn't say play. And again, look at the squishiness there. Where is this cute mouse picking out? Why does it look that way? Why did they do that? But yes, so it's only a 1 out of 3 success rate with this set. But you can still play with these. But I mean, this is something I'll put on my desk to look at that I actually find cute. And these I don't find cute. They both poke themselves in the eye. This one is a little bit better, but that one actually looks like he's hurting himself and he's a bulging eye there. So I don't think I will. I don't know. This one, yeah, you see now it looks a little bit better. I don't know if you can see. So maybe I can put that on my desk. But this one, I don't know. I think I'm going to give it to a kid. And these two, I'm just going to put it on my desk because it's cute to me. But a kid won't mind. They will just love playing with this the whole time. Okay. As I do, apparently. Have a lovely day. Hope you guys have fun. Bye.